Before we start learning how to build apps, let's take a look at the landscape. As of late 2013, there's more than 1 million apps in the App Store, from nearly 250,000 unique publishers like you. While the average price per app is only $1.41, that number is radically skewed because many apps are free. And finally, there's more than 700 million iOS devices out there on which your apps can run. As of late 2013, 35% of the apps in the store are games, 20% educational, 30% entertainment, lifestyle, and books, and 15% categorized as other. As of late 2013, there's been more than 50 billion apps downloaded since September 2008, so there's lots and lots of demand. Everything in this course is relying on the modern operating system from Apple, either iOS 6 or iOS 7, and that means that everything you learn here will be applicable to running on the iPhone 4S, 5 and 5S, all variations of the iPad and iPad mini, and the iPod Touch 4th generation and 5th generation. So let's get started.